childhood when we went to the beach, we have all tried to see the end of the sea or ocean, but we have never succeeded. The question of why we cannot see the other side of the beach still haunts many of us today. In this episode, we mention several reasons why we cannot see the end of the sea or ocean. First, the ocean's vast size prevents us from seeing its end. Over 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered by the ocean. So, with such a vast expanse of water, it's impossible to see the end of the ocean from any single point. One of the simplest reasons for not seeing the end of the sea and ocean is because of this fact. The second reason is that we are unable to see the end of the sea and ocean due to the atmosphere. There are a variety of gases, water vapor, and dust particles present in the Earth's atmosphere that scatters light. This scattering effect causes distant objects to appear hazy or blurred, making it impossible to see the end of the ocean. This is why distant mountains or buildings appear blurry or hazy, even on a clear day. The atmosphere and the ocean frequently interact at the boundary between the atmosphere and the ocean. This is another reason why we cannot see the end of the sea. The reflection of light is another factor why we are unable to see the end of the ocean. When light hits the surface of the water, it reflects off the surface and creates a glare that can make it difficult to see beyond a certain distance. Even in clear water, it is difficult to see anything beneath the surface of the water due to this glare. Another reason is that the ocean is constantly in motion. Waves, currents, and tides make it difficult to see a fixed point in the distance. The movement of the water creates an optical illusion that makes it appear as though the horizon is moving away from you. Hence, we can't see the end of the ocean or sea. The last reason is the curvature of the Earth. We know that the Earth is approximately 12,742 kilometers in diameter, and it is not a perfect sphere but slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This shape is due to the Earth's rotation, which creates centrifugal force, causing the equator to bulge out and the poles to flatten. The curvature of the Earth is the gradual change in the angle of the Earth's surface as you move away from a fixed point. The most accurate estimate is 8 inches per mile. It means that the curvature will obstruct 8 inches of the object's height for every mile between you and it. As a result, it is impossible to see an infinite distance in the ocean. When you're standing at sea level, your line of sight is limited to a few kilometers due to the curvature of the Earth. Therefore, even if you were standing at the highest point on the ocean, you would still not be able to see the entire horizon. Due to all the above reasons, the question arises, is there a maximum distance that can be seen in the ocean? What do you think? The maximum distance we can see in the ocean depends on several factors, including the height of the observer and the atmospheric conditions based on this video. But at sea level, the maximum distance we can see is around 5 kilometers due to the curvature of the Earth. However, at higher altitudes, our line of sight can extend further, and we can see objects up to 38 kilometers away because of lower curvature at the poles. Consequently, the reasons we cannot see the end of the ocean are its vast size, the curvature of the Earth, the atmosphere, the reflection of light, and the constant motion of the water. Indeed, the ocean is truly a mysterious and awe-inspiring place that continues to fascinate us.